Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you could insert an Excel file inside a Word document. So first let's open our Word document. Let's go and click on insert option. Click anywhere inside the Word document to see what you are going to locate and make sure to make some space to have it visibility. Now we'll go to text option inside insert section and we'll click on the object. Again object. Now we'll click create from file, we'll click browse, and here we're going to click on desktop. I'm going to select the Excel file which I want to include. This is my Excel file. You can always just type the file name and it should show it to you directly. Now we're going to click insert, and I'm going to click display as icon because I want this file to be in the body of this Word document because I'm sending it to someone else. If you want just to save it on your computer, you can always just select link to file. However, please note that if you change the location of that Excel file, you will get an error and it will not show at all. So now we'll just click display as icon. You can always click change icon if you want, and I will click OK. You will need to wait a little bit until the operation is done. Since my file is protected by a password, you might be asked to enter the password. If you have put a password for your Excel file before, you will need to enter the password so that it's included in the body of your Word document. Let's zoom a little bit on it to have better visibility. So here I have my little Excel file. Once you double click on it, it should be able to open for you. For now, I will just close it. Now that I'm done, you just click save and your work is done. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.